time for a thumbnail. Dramatic surprise. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beautybybniecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the Niecyfam. If this is not, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting. So today's video is very different and never done this on my channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing of, drum roll please, Boxyluxe. Yes guys, I caved in. I got the Boxyluxe. So if you guys want to see and witness my first reaction to this Boxyluxe, I need you to stay tuned. So first things first, Boxyluxe is part of the Boxycharm program. This box is huge. As you guys already know, I have the Boxycharm. I've been on it for at least a year and they have hits and misses, but it's $24.99, almost $25 every month. So I'm not mad at it. If that is the only subscription or the only makeup you get during the month, I feel like it's fine. You're not spending ridiculous money. But this month I wanted to try the Boxyluxe. Now the Boxyluxe is a quarterly, I believe, because it's 4 times a year. It's a quarterly subscription where instead of charging you the $24, they actually double it and give you a lot more products. As you can tell, the box is actually a lot bigger than your, I'm trying to see if I can get a Boxycharm box, because usually I keep my boxes, but I don't think I have any. But this is huge. This is really big. Yeah, I don't see any Boxycharm, the regular boxes here. But not to rumble, let's get into this. So you guys have seen firsthand, I've not even looked at this. So let's see what we got in this box. So first thing I see is this bag. It's a Hallmart collectibles bag. I knew they gave me an option within the month previously, like a week or two before the end of last month, to pick some items. Now honestly, I get so much makeup that I even forgot what so I will try to give you what the prices are of each item. So this is actually a silk pillowcase. This is a silk pillowcase and it comes with this what do they call this again? Can't think of it. It is the Hallmart Collectible Satin Pillow and Mask Set. So let's see, this retails for $50. Just this pillowcase and mask retails for $50, but I got this whole box for $48. So that is that. I'm gonna get good use of it. I need actually a good satin pillowcase so that my hair will look good when I wake up in the morning. Let's go. So this next item, actually you guys are not going to see a lot of makeup products because my selection, you can actually go in and edit your profile and then you can add more items that you want to get in your box. I did like skincare because I wanted to build my skincare kit. Next item, I cannot really say the name, is Malin and Goetz. I don't know. I have to Google it or I have to ask Siri. I don't have my phone, but that's what the name says. This is a recovery treatment oil. This is the box that it comes in. So let's see. This actually retails for $82. Okay, retails for $82, but this is the treatment mask. This is the treatment mask. If you guys want me to make a video of how I use all these products, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. And this, my friends, is the Kylie skin. This is from Kylie Jenner's line. This is the foaming face wash. This retails for $24. This is item number 3. This is quite big. This is the foaming face wash. It is a 5 fluid ounce bottle, but this is what we got here. And guys, so far what I've shown you guys is more than $120 or maybe $130 already. So I feel like it's quite a good investment when you do your Boxyluxe. Next item is the charcoal. This is the $1 Billion Brushes. That is the name of the brand. $1 Billion Brushes charcoal 5-piece brush set. This is the box that it comes in. So let's look at all the brushes that are in this box. And this set retails for $55, guys. You get a set of 5 brushes. This first one, I believe, is the concealer brush. I think this is the concealer brush. This is that. This is brush number 1. This big fluffy brush is the powder brush. This is from $1 Billion Brush. This is their powder brush. Next one is their eyeshadow brush. Interesting eyeshadow brush. This is a flat brush. They call it the highlighter brush. Quite interestingly, this will be like a good eyeshadow brush because of how flat it is. I don't know what kind of highlighter they're talking about with this, but this is definitely an eyeshadow brush as well. And this is an angled contour brush. Okay, moving on, and let's keep this moving. So next item is the Purlisse Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. This is an oil moisturizing natural looking coverage. Now I don't know why Boxycharm chose to give me medium, because I am not medium, and I would have gladly put this in a giveaway because I just took this off and squeezed it, and guys, this is light. This is not medium. So since this is open, I cannot do anything with this. Unfortunately, I shouldn't have even opened it so that I could put it in a giveaway or give it out. So if you're watching this and you're fair in complexion, you're really light, almost like I don't even know whose complexion I could use as an example, who's a YouTuber, hit me up on my Instagram and I can gladly send you this because I have absolutely no use for this. I'm gonna put it back in the box. Next item is this Lilly Lashes Triple X mascara. Ooh. Was looking for mascaras. I just bought a mascara like last weekend. I bought the Fenty mascara, and here we go with this mascara. Now actually the BB cream, let's see how much that cost. The Purlisse is $35. And this Lilly Lashes is $24. So this is how this mascara comes. I will let you guys know probably in another video, if you guys don't even ask me in another video how this mascara works. But this is the Lilly Lashes mascara. Now, 7th item is this Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. What is this? This is a lip pencil. This is 2-pack lip pencil. This is the package that it comes in. So taking it out, so these are the 2 pencils. This is Rosewood and Pouty. The top one is Pouty, so the lighter one is Pouty. This is Pouty, and then this one, which will definitely work as a liner, is Rosewood. So this is Pouty and this is Rosewood, so they will definitely work for me. Now the last but not least item, actually, is it really least? Because I'm not a big fan of this brand, honestly. Most of the items that I get from them don't work for me, except their concealer. Tarte High Performance Naturals. This is the Tatiste Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Tarte retails for $49. This is the package. Honestly guys, this might work for me, but so this is the palette. It's really nice. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And it has like this huge mirror. Mirror is huge. This I could probably work with. I don't know, if it depends. I'm gonna give myself like a week or two. If I don't use it, I'll put it in a giveaway. But this is it now. One thing that I noticed, that the back here is actually a mirror. It's so clear that I could literally see my face. Like I could look at my face at the back of that. You can tell my fingerprints here, but yeah, it's actually a mirror too. And the mirror here is huge. It is so big, but then you can really see up close and personal. So all 7 items, original price, you're looking at $367 if my math is right, which I mean, you cannot beat $48 with $367. Okay, it's a lot of money, a lot of savings. And even though I'm not gonna have use for every single item, I feel like you get so much for just the Boxyluxe. So even if you don't sign up for the monthly one, you can sign up for the quarterly one, which is the Boxyluxe. I think it's amazing. I am gonna use these products, especially like the Kylie foaming face wash. I'm gonna use that, the pencils. I'm gonna use all of that. All right guys, so I think that's it. Honestly, there's nothing much to say because I just had to come here and do a quick unboxing. Let me know if you guys wanted me to do videos on any of it, especially the palette. If you guys want me to do a video on it, I mean, if you don't ask and I don't gravitate towards it in a week or two, I'm definitely giving this away. All right guys, thank you so much. Make sure that you follow me on my social media. All my information will be in my description box, and it's also going to be on the screen. Make sure that you watch the last video somewhere here or here, somewhere on the screen. Make sure that you watch it. If you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and share this video. Let's grow Niecyfam. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one.